GM everyone, thank you so much for being here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up to Glue Hub using your email or phone number. Let's get started. Now, out of all the options available for you to sign up, go ahead and choose email or phone number. Now, click your email address, click on the arrow. Now you'll receive a verification code sent to your email. Go ahead and enter that here. Once you've entered that, it will start verifying. In a few seconds, it will start logging you in and you're here at the Glue Hub. That's how simple and easy it was. Now let's see what happens when we use our phone number. Now the process for signing up using your phone number is pretty similar to the email. Go ahead and click on this button. Now click on phone number, enter your code and your phone number here, click on the arrow. You'll again receive a verification code sent to this phone number that you have added. Go ahead and enter that. Once you do that, it will start verifying and then it will start logging you in. And in a few seconds, you will see that you're on the hub. But before that, let's enter our name here. This is going to be our address. Click on save. You can choose to just click on next if this is a new account. Of course, you will not have any assets as of now. You can now click on go to my dashboards. And that's how simple and easy it is to sign up using any option on the hub. To know more on what you can do on the hub and what all it has to offer, we have a lot more videos coming in, so stay tuned and make sure you watch them to know more about us. Thank you. Hope this helps.